Today we're eating at this restaurant, and to order your food, you have to use a vending machine. This is very common in Japan, so definitely make sure you know how to use a vending machine before visiting. Also in Japan, a lot of restaurants display their most popular dishes in a glass case outside the restaurant. It's very appealing and practical. Keep watching and you'll see that my order matched the display exactly to the T. What's 150 times 5? 25, 25, 7 something? So, like 3,000. So I press first?
No, you put money first.
Put money
add
first.
like green and you can order.
Okay. Put money first.
One this curry rice for you and five.
Yes.
Shrimp for her. Okay. Maybe 2,000.
2,000. She said 2,000.
Yeah, but where do I put it in?
The bill right here.
Yes. Put money. Sorry.
Goes the other way.
That is big. Okay.
Oh, and then now.
Okay. And five. Right?
Ah, I get it now.
It's a really hot. Nice.
Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4. One more.
She said that's
That's
fine.
fine.
Okay. So yeah.
Where's my receipt?
You have to ask for a receipt?
I didn't see it. I didn't see the button. So let's move over.
Oh.
Here's my food. It looks exactly like the display, don't you think?
I use.
And it was delicious too. Here's the 4 shrimp that my friend got, and that was also delicious. Remember, in Japan, don't put your bags on the floor. The restaurant will provide bag holders for you, like these black bags you see here, which all just adds to the great experience. Definitely visiting Japan again.
You did it?
Yeah.
You gotta get the. Oh, the name.